Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will be talking about top 5 programming languages of 2020. So let's get into it.
In the fifth place, we have Swift. Swift is a very popular programming language, and it is used in the mainly in the development of native iOS applications. It has a huge community, which means that if you have an issue while developing an application using Swift, then you can find a solution very easily on the internet, because chances are other developers have already faced and fixed the same issue that you're facing. Another reason why Swift is very popular is that it is easy to learn, and it is a very safe language.
At number 4 we have C++, which is one of the oldest language but still very popular because it's a very powerful language. Apps built with C++ have very high performance. C++ is used in the development of games, desktop application, and system softwares. If you learn C++, then you'll be able to understand computers, memory, and how it works.
In the third place, we have Java. Java is a very popular programming language, and it is mainly used in Android app and enterprise application development. Another benefit of Java is that it has a huge community. So there are tons of tutorials and books out there, so you can learn Java very easy because there are lots of resources. Even if you don't want to go to the advanced stuffs of Java, learning the basics of Java can be very beneficial, because a lot of software engineering books like data structures and algorithms, design patterns are written in Java.
At place of number 2 we have JavaScript, which is a very versatile language. It is used in the development of web applications, mobile apps, and desktop applications. Well, JavaScript is very popular in mobile and web development. JavaScript has a lot of libraries and frameworks which can be used in the development of various applications. For example, they have React Native, which is a framework JavaScript which is used in the development of cross-platform mobile apps for iOS and Android, which means the code written once in React Native can be used to develop both iOS and Android apps. And another example is Electro.js, which is used to build desktop apps.
In the first place, we have Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages. One of the reasons why it is very popular is it has a very easy syntax. So if you want to learn programming, if you want to learn a language, then for your first time, then learning Python could be the best option for you. And so the programmer can actually focus on solving the given problem, not on the complexity of the syntax. And it is one of the benefits of its easy syntax. And it is a very versatile, reliable, and has a very high speed. It has a large community. And talking about the application of Python is very popular in web development, because there are some few popular frameworks like Django and Flex. And Python is also very popular in big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, which are becoming the most popular technologies, and also in cloud computing.
I would like to mention Kotlin programming language, as it has been growing for a while now. It's a relatively new language. It is mainly used in the development of Android applications, and currently it's Google's preferred app development language at the moment.